It's a scene we all know too well. The kitchen, once a place of hope and delicious possibilities, suddenly becomes a battleground. You set out with the simplest of intentions, just a boiled egg for breakfast, maybe a quick snack, or the base for a salad. How hard could it be? After all, people have been boiling eggs for centuries. Yet somehow this humble task has a way of turning into a full-blown kitchen catastrophe. You stand over a pot of bubbling water, watching the surface dance, with anticipation. The eggs are in, and you're hoping, maybe even praying, for that perfect result, a yolk that's just right, a shell that peels off in one satisfying piece. You check the clock, you hover, you wait. The promise of a flawless boiled egg feels so close, you can almost taste it. Instead, you're left with a mess, shell fragments floating, egg whites leaking out like little ghosts, and disappointment simmering in the cloudy water. The kitchen smells, faintly, of sulfur, and your confidence takes a hit. You wonder if you missed a step, or if there's some secret everyone else knows but you. You fish out the casualties, shells cracked and contents lost. This wasn't supposed to be hard, it's just an egg, water and heat. Yet the results are anything but simple. The eggs are pockmarked and battered, their insides escaping into the water. You try to salvage what you can, but it feels like a defeat. Yet, here you are, defeated by one of nature's simplest foods. You question your skills, and wonder where it all went wrong. Was the water too hot? Did you leave them in too long? Should you have poked a hole in the shell or started with cold water? The doubts pile up, and your confidence in the kitchen wavers. The promise of a quick breakfast has vanished into steam. Maybe you're tempted to give up and stick to toast, or reach for a cereal box instead. The empty egg cup on the table is a silent reminder of what could have been, a simple pleasure, now lost to the chaos of boiling water and broken shells. But don't. The problem isn't you, it's your method. Violent boiling and cold eggs were your first mistakes. When eggs hit boiling water straight from the fridge, the shock causes cracks and chaos. The rolling boil jostles them around, making things worse. It's not about luck or kitchen magic. It's about understanding what's really happening in that pot. We've all stared into that pot of failure, united by this kitchen trauma. You're not alone. Everyone, from beginners to seasoned cooks, has faced the heartbreak of a ruined boiled egg. But here's the good news. This cycle of disappointment can be broken. There's a better way, and it's within your reach. The path to the perfect boiled egg isn't guesswork or frantic boiling. It's science, precision, and a little know-how. With the right timing, the right temperature, and a few simple tricks, you can master this kitchen staple. No more guessing, no more hoping for the best. Just reliable, delicious results every time. With the right method, you can turn chaos into triumph. Imagine peeling an egg with ease, revealing a perfectly cooked center, and feeling that quiet satisfaction. Let's transform your egg boiling experience, starting now. Get ready to leave kitchen catastrophes behind and embrace the simple joy of a perfect boiled egg. Let's take a closer look at what really happens when a hard-boiled egg goes wrong. It's a scene many of us know all too well. You crack open your egg, hoping for a smooth, satisfying peel, but instead, you're met with chaos. The shell clings stubbornly to the white, refusing to let go. And as you try to peel it away, large chunks of the egg white come off with it, leaving behind a battered, uneven surface. Peeling becomes a frustrating battle. Tiny shards of shell embed themselves in the egg, and every attempt to remove them just makes things worse. The egg white tears, and you're left with a lumpy, pockmarked mess. Instead of a smooth, glossy egg, you're staring at something that looks like it's been through a war zone. The surface is riddled with dents and missing pieces, far from the flawless finish you were hoping for. And then, when you slice it open, the disappointment continues. A greenish-gray ring circles the yolk, the infamous sulfur ring. It's a telltale sign that the egg has been overcooked, and it's not just about looks. This ring forms when the sulfur in the egg white reacts with the iron in the yolk under high heat, creating that unappetizing color and a faint, unpleasant odor. It's a little science experiment gone wrong, right in your kitchen. The result? An egg that smells faintly of sulfur, with a taste that's anything but inviting. Instead of a delicate, creamy bite, you get a chalky, dry mouthful that's hard to swallow. The egg white, once meant to be tender and yielding, is now rubbery and squeaky. It resists your fork and squeaks against your teeth, making every bite a chore rather than a pleasure. The yolk, instead of being rich and creamy, is dry and crumbly. It falls apart at the slightest touch, coating your mouth with a powdery texture that's anything but appetizing. This isn't the golden, creamy center you were dreaming of. It's a stark contrast to the perfect egg you see in cookbooks and food magazines. It's a culinary tragedy: bad peel, gray ring, rubbery texture, and a yolk that's dry and lifeless. No wonder so many people have sworn off hard-boiled eggs altogether. When faced with eggs like these, it's easy to see why some people think they just don't like hard-boiled eggs. But the truth is, it's not the egg's fault. The real culprit is the method. Most of us learn to boil eggs from family or friends, and those techniques, often rushed or imprecise, get passed down, mistakes and all. These common errors have become kitchen traditions, repeated generation after generation, even though they rarely deliver the results we want. But here's the good news: you can break the cycle. With just a few simple changes, you can unlearn these old habits and finally unlock the secret to the perfect hard-boiled egg. Perfection is possible, and it all starts with changing your approach. The journey to the perfect egg begins now. Now, imagine a different outcome. Picture yourself in your kitchen, the morning sun streaming in, and you're about to enjoy a breakfast that feels almost magical. You reach for an egg, full of anticipation, knowing exactly what's about to happen. A smooth, gleaming white egg sits on your plate. No nicks, no missing chunks. It looks almost too perfect to eat, like something out of a food magazine, but it's right there in front of you, made by your own hands. You tap it gently, and the shell peels away in large, easy pieces. No struggle, just satisfaction. There's no frustration, no bits of shell stubbornly clinging to the white. It's effortless, almost meditative, and you can't help but smile at how simple it feels. Slice it open. The aroma is clean, with no sulfur. A gentle steam rises, promising a bite that's as fresh as it looks. The kitchen fills with a subtle, inviting scent that signals breakfast is about to be something special. The yolk is a vibrant, golden orb. No gray ring, just pure color. It's the kind of yolk that makes you pause and admire it, knowing you've achieved something cooks everywhere strive for. Whether you prefer a runny, jammy or creamy yolk, each is a masterpiece. Every texture is possible, from a luscious, molten center to a perfectly set, creamy bite. You have complete control, and every egg is exactly how you want it. The white is tender and delicate. The yolk, rich and satisfying. Each bite is a balance of flavors and textures, a testament to the care you've put into cooking. A hard-boiled egg is moist and fudgy, not dry. The texture is almost creamy, never chalky or rubbery, making every mouthful a pleasure. A soft-boiled egg's yolk is a savory sauce. It flows onto your plate, ready to be scooped up with toast or drizzled over rice, adding richness to every bite. This is more than food. It's an experience. It's a moment of quiet joy. A small victory that starts your day on a high note. You savor each bite, knowing you've unlocked the secret to the perfect egg. The perfect egg elevates salads, ramen, or stands alone as a nourishing snack. It's the finishing touch that transforms a simple meal into something memorable, or a quick bite that leaves you feeling satisfied and energized. It's not a fantasy or a trick, it's achievable in your kitchen. No matter your skill level, this is something you can do, right at home, with just a little know-how. No fancy equipment needed, just the right technique. All you need is a pot, some water, and a willingness to try something new. The tools are simple, but the results are extraordinary. Abandon old habits, embrace science, and perfection is yours. Let go of outdated methods and trust in the process. Modern cooking is about understanding, not guesswork. This golden dream is within reach. Every time you cook an egg, you're just a few steps away from something truly special. Let's make it a reality. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to the perfect egg, and you'll never look at breakfast the same way again. Where does it all go wrong? Let's expose the usual suspects. First, the rolling boil. Violent boiling cracks shells and toughens whites. Second, dropping cold eggs into boiling water causes thermal shock and cracks. Third, imprecise timing. Guesswork leads to undercooked or overcooked eggs. The difference between perfect and ruined is often just a minute. Fourth, skipping the ice bath. Without rapid cooling, eggs overcook and become hard to peel. These mistakes are easy to make, but just as easy to fix. Gentle heat, gradual temperature changes, precise timing, and proper cooling are key. Ignore these, and you're doomed to repeat the same kitchen disasters. But follow them, and you're on the path to egg mastery. Let's break the cycle of bad eggs. It's time for a better way. The secret to perfect eggs. Start gently, no rolling boil. Place eggs in a single layer in a saucepan, cover with cold water by an inch. This gradual heat up prevents cracking. Bring the water to a full boil, then immediately turn off the heat. If using an electric stove, move the pan off the burner. Cover with a lid and let the eggs sit in the hot water. The residual heat cooks the eggs gently and evenly. This method prevents rubbery whites and gray rings. You're creating a controlled, peaceful cooking environment. The result: tender whites, perfect yolks, and no kitchen chaos. This is the foundation of egg mastery. Tame the heat, and you're halfway there. Let's move on to timing. With temperature under control, timing is everything. Set your timer as soon as the lid goes on. For soft-boiled eggs with runny yolks, 4 or 5 minutes. For jammy, custardy yolks, 6 to 8 minutes. 7 is the sweet spot. For classic hard-boiled eggs, 10-12 minutes for fully set, creamy yolks. Don't go longer. Overcooking brings back the gray ring and dryness. Precision is key. Even 30 seconds can change the outcome. Use a timer, not guesswork. Consistency is now in your hands. Adjust slightly for egg size or altitude, but stick to the basics. Trust the process, and you'll get perfect eggs every time. Timing is your secret weapon. Next, let's talk about cooling. The timer's done, but you're not finished yet. The ice bath is essential. Don't skip it. Immediately transfer eggs from hot water to a bowl of ice water. This stops cooking instantly, preserving your perfect yolk. It also makes peeling a breeze. The shock causes the egg white to contract, separating from the shell. Let eggs chill for at least 5 minutes. 10 is even better. When ready, tap the wide end, roll gently, and peel. The shell slips off easily, leaving a flawless egg. This step transforms frustration into satisfaction. The ice bath is the pro's secret. Never skip it if you want perfect eggs. Now, let's appreciate the egg itself. The egg is nature's perfect food, nutritious, versatile, and affordable. One large egg packs 6 grams of high-quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids. Eggs are rich in vitamin D, choline for brain health, and antioxidants for your eyes. Most nutrients are in the yolk. Don't toss it. Eggs are a global staple, shining brightest as a boiled snack. Portable, filling, and healthy, they're ideal for any meal or snack. Enjoying a perfectly cooked egg means fueling your body with the best. It's a win for taste and health. Mastering the method makes eggs even more enjoyable. Celebrate the humble egg. It does it all. Now let's level up your skills. Ready for Grandmaster status? Here are pro tips. Use eggs 1-2 weeks old for easier peeling. Fresh eggs cling to their shells. For centered yolks, store eggs on their sides the day before boiling, or gently stir the water as it heats to help center the yolk. At high altitudes, add a minute per 1,000 feet to your timing. Season with flaky sea salt, fresh pepper, or smoked paprika for extra flavor. A drizzle of olive oil or swipe of butter on a soft-boiled egg is pure bliss. Presentation matters. These small touches elevate your eggs. You've mastered the science and the art. With these tips, you'll never boil eggs the wrong way again. Enjoy your perfect eggs every single time. Share your new skills and inspire others. Eggcellence is now yours.